Hi everyone, and welcome to Crochet Rocks. For those of you who've not seen me before, my name's Tracy, and in this video, just pull it a little closer, I'm going to do a yarn haul that I've just bought from Tinsel Yarn. Some of this I have used before and you might have seen it, but some of it you won't have. I'm going to pick the bag up, and I'm sorry if it makes... Oh, hello. Sorry about that. Sorry if it makes a noise, but it's a bit far down. I've had to close the curtains because it was very bright out there, although it's raining. It's been raining for days because it was flaring a little bit and making me look like a bit of a ghost. So I've shut the curtains, which means it's going to be hard to see any of the yardage. So I've got my very fetching blue glasses. I can't find any of my nicer ones, and these look lovely. Not. Never mind. So, what did I get? Well, I did buy a ball of this once before, but I decided to get some more. It's called the Tinsel Big Value Aran, and it is really, really soft. It's lovely. Didn't like many of the colours, but this one is a dark kind of cherry, dusky cherry with these little flecks, and I don't know, it's quite nice. But I didn't really want to get any of the others, but it is extremely good value for money. This one, oh, I don't think that's £3.29. Aran's always more expensive here for some reason, like if you get decent ones anyway. The chunky's a lot cheaper, don't know why, but yeah, I love this, so I got some more of that. I got 2, so that gives me enough to make something with. You've seen this before. I made my lacy scarf with it, the baby Glitz, Tinsel baby Glitz. Oh, I should have told you the yardage on this one. Do apologise. Let me go back. Rewind. Don't laugh. They're not pretty. So it's a 100-gram ball, and it is 257 yards and 235 metres. And in the baby Glitz, which is ridiculously soft, it smells just like knowIi yarn. It's beautiful. It is, they all smell like that though, don't they? Isn't knowIi yarn a lovely smell? 317 yards and 290 metres. But what I like about it is the Glitz part is really subtle. And that's called silver, but I don't think it's very silverish. So I bought another couple of those to give me enough to make, coming a bit unravelled, a bit like me, give me enough to make something with. I bought several balls of the Christmas Glitz yarn, same amounts of yards and metres as the baby Glitz. There's another one in here somewhere. I'll come across it, no doubt. Ah, there it is. But all, label fell off, all of the colours of Christmas in a ball with sparkle. Wow, I love that. So put my label over there so I can put it back on. But yeah, I've got 3 of those. Actually, I've got 5, but the other 2 are over there. And I also got 3 more of these. I absolutely love this colour. It's my favourite of the Glitz. I sent some balls of this to Crystal from Bag a Day. She loved it, but it is actually my favourite one, all the rainbow colours. I don't know why I love that one so much, but I've got another 3 of those. Put them over there. And then I made a scarf, which I'm doing a tutorial any minute now, and I call this the Sweetheart Scarf. And I wanted to do a tutorial on it, but because it's black and red, they will not film very well. The colours will flare and you're not going to be able to see it. Now the Big Value Chunky is cheaper than the Aran. Don't know why, I've only just noticed that. It's £2.19 a ball, and it is mega soft, absolutely lovely. And these are 100 grams, and it is 167 yards and 152 metres. But I love this stuff, so I went and bought some more. I got 2 cream, which you can't really see because that flares thereabouts. It's about the right one. I was going to do my tutorial on it, but looking at the way it reacts with the camera, don't think that's a very good idea. So I've got a couple of the cream, but I also bought pink, which is a lovely pink. I love this colour. And blue. So I guess the tutorial will probably be pink and blue because those colours are picking up quite nicely. Running out of room over there, so we'll go over here. And then I just got more tinsel yarn because I love it so much, and I've got a giveaway going on for the tinsel yarn, so I bought another one of this gorgeous pinky colour. I found a blue that I've not had before, so I had to get that. My favourite orange one I got, and another ball of the firework because that's just stunning, and another ball of the white because one of these is in my giveaway and I wanted another one. And I got gold. Look at that. It's like a black and gold. But I figured that's a beautiful colour for Christmas, so I got that as well. Now, tinsel yarn is a 50-gram ball, and all of those are 76.5 metres or 70 yards. And even though it's metallic, it is really soft and squidgy, and you wouldn't hate it next to your skin. It would be fine. But that, I love that colour. I love all of them. I just want to have them all for some reason. Now I'm getting a headache already with those glasses. But yeah, look out soon. And getting tangled up in my lead. And there'll be a tutorial for my sweetheart scarf. And this is with Chunky. I've done it with the King Cole Chunky because it is, falling on the floor, mega soft. And, bear with me, because it's lovely and drapey, because some chunky yarns will be stiff, and I didn't want that for my scarf. I wanted it to be all nice and bendy and drapey. So that will be coming any minute now. I'm going to be doing that. So also going to be doing a I can never get this out, mega mid-month giveaway, and a winners video. They'll also be coming very soon. And I don't understand why I can't say mega mid-month giveaway when I was the one who claimed that title for myself. So that's my little haul, and some of the yarns, as I said, you've seen before, but many you haven't. But this Chunky, I think, is going to become one of my favourites. Not necessarily that colour, but it is lovely, and it's going to be great for the winter months to make bits and pieces out of that. And I'm definitely going to try this Aran, although it doesn't seem a great deal of difference in thickness to the Chunky. Probably may notice it when I start working it up, but I've got to find a little project for that. But well, so if you want to see all those other videos coming your way very soon, and I mean imminently, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget, don't just click on the bell, set it to all, and then you'll see, hopefully, fingers crossed, when there are videos, winners videos, giveaways. There are lots of giveaways. I've already got lots going on. Still time to enter, because I haven't picked winners yet for the mid-month giveaways. So check them out. There's character crochet sets. There's yarn that I've got from Poundland, and there's as I said, there's a tinsel yarn. There's loads. There's a shawl, like a shawl in a ball, but it's made by, the name isn't escaping me. Oh, it's a Hobbycraft one, and it's called Shawl We Dance. That's in a giveaway. That's got a little glitzy vibe too. Look at that. So yeah, lots and lots of giveaways still on the channel to enter. Lots more coming. I do love doing them, so I'm going to be carrying on. But yeah, just have a good look. Lots of tutorials and more coming. So thanks so much for watching for now, and have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.